Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to borrow Steam game using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Steam, okay, like that. And now before we proceed on the tutorial, you need to make sure that the person that wants to borrow your game, or for example you want to borrow another user's game, you need to make sure that you have an account, okay, in order for this to work. So now when you have an account and the other person has a Steam account, we can now proceed on the tutorial. Okay, so now you want to click on the view option here at the upper left side of your screen beside the Steam option. Now click on settings and now click on family. So now here you can see the box that allows authorized library sharing on this computer. So you just want to check on that box to allow this. Okay. So now here you can see the eligible accounts, right? So just go ahead and choose the accounts of the person that you want to share the game with, or if you want to borrow this game. Okay. So for example, just go ahead. I'm just gonna leave this because it is just a tutorial. Okay. So once you've choose the other user's account, just go ahead and click on continue. Okay. So for example, they are the one who wants to borrow your game. So when they try to open their account, they can see your game on their account. Okay. So that's it. That is how you borrow a game on Steam. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.